Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to start with a new topic, that is how our country is run. Our country is a democracy. In a democracy, the people of the country elect their leaders and these leaders form the government. As you know, our country is run by the central government, which is also called the union government. And each state of the country is run by its own government called the state government. And each village or city is run by the local self government. Do you know, kids? Elections to choose the leaders who form the central government are held every 5 years. These elections are called general elections. Any Indian above the age of 18 can vote in an election. The government issues voter identity cards to all voters. On the day of election, the voters go to voting booths to cast their votes. As you can see in the picture, these days voting booths have electronic voting machines. We also call it EVM. All a voter has to do is to press the button next to the name of the leader of his or her choice. Children, look at this picture. A voter with her voter identity card, the mark on her finger shows that she has cast her vote. The country is divided into many constituencies for the elections. As you can see in this map, the voters of each constituency elect one leader to represent them in the parliament. Children, have a look on this map of Delhi. Delhi is divided into 7 constituencies and one MP is elected from each constituency. Each elected leader becomes a member of parliament. We also call it MP. The MP is the representative of the people of his or her constituency. Now, let's talk about the parliament in detail. One of the jobs of a government is to make new laws or rules. In our country, the parliament is that part of the government which makes laws. Apart from this, the members of our parliament meet to discuss the problems of the people and to find solutions to these problems. Now, let's have a look on new words which are used in today's topic. Number 1, democracy. A country in which the government is elected by the people. Number 2, constituency. An area from which one leader is elected to a law-making body like the parliament. Number 3, Representative, a person chosen by people to work on their behalf. Children, I hope today's topic is clear to you. Thank you.